Hello students, so this question is taken from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. So students, can you tell us what will be the effect of heating on diffusion? Our first option is, will it become slower? Our second option is, it does not relate with heating. And our third option is, it becomes faster. And our last option is, will it becomes faster and then slower? So students, if we see diffusion, what do we mean by diffusion? So students, diffusion is basically your process of movement of a substance. It can be in any of the states of matter, students. It can be solid, liquid, gas, in which they will move from higher concentration to lower concentration, students, so as to spread uniformity. And in the process of diffusion, the molecules of one substance, students, gets mixed with the molecules of other substance. Okay students, so let's move ahead, students. So you can see here, students, basically your temperature will be directly proportional to diffusion, and that's why, students, whenever temperature increases, then the rate of diffusion will also increase, because, students, kinetic energy of the molecules also increases, and the speed and movement of the molecule, you will get to see that it also increases. And when, students, the temperature decreases, the rate of diffusion will decrease. So it will have vice versa effect, students. When the temperature increases, the rate of diffusion will increase, and when the temperature decreases, the rate of diffusion will decrease. So students, the correct answer of this question will be your option number third, that it will become faster by the effect of heating on diffusion. So I hope, students, this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.